In this video, we'll walk you through how sellers can create a custom app to seamlessly connect their Shopify store with the Webkul marketplace. To begin, you need to log in to your developer dashboard by visiting dev.shopify.com. Now click on the Login button and enter your email address. Then select Continue with Email. After that, enter your password and click on Log In. You will receive an authentication code on your registered mobile number. Enter the code and click on Login again. Once completed, you will be successfully redirected to your developer dashboard. Then click on the Create App button, enter the app name, and click Create. After creating the app, Shopify will redirect you to the Create Version page. Here, the seller needs to configure the app details and set the required permissions properly. First, enter the app URL. You can copy this from the Webkul Seller Panel. Then, uncheck the checkbox Embed App in Shopify Admin. In the Access Scope section, add the required permissions. You can copy these directly from the user guide and paste them into the Scope field. In the Redirect URL section, enter the required URLs. These can also be copied from the Webkul Seller Panel. Once all the configurations are complete, click on the Release button and then click on Release again to confirm the app release. After releasing the app, Shopify will generate the API key and secret key. Now you need to copy these credentials and add them to the Webkul Seller Panel. That's all about how to create a custom app for the Seller Shopify Store connector. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned